Hey, thanks for stopping by 818 How To. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove and really easily remove coffee stains on a mug. Check it out.
In demonstrating with several mugs here, they've had coffee, tea with cream and milk mixed. And no matter how much water and dishwashing soap you use, it's not easy to clean. What I have in my hand is a magic eraser. This eraser is the star of the show. I first wash it and squeeze to drain the excess water. Then I run it around the rim in a circular motion. And you can see how much a new eraser has stained. The mug is super clean with minimal water. No dishwasher soap needed either. You can also use soap with the eraser to sanitize the mug.
And there you have it. Thanks for stopping by 818 How To. If you found this video useful, be sure to like this video and tons of DIY stuff coming up on this channel. There are tons of videos still in queue that need to be uploaded. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, this is Savio signing out and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.